If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making BALLAV KHAI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are 1 cup of fried paddy or LIA, 2 tablespoons of coconut chunks, then take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. A quarter cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee and a pinch of salt. Now in a pan, add the ghee followed by all the sugar, water, powder and salt, and bring this to boil first. Now boil the syrup for roughly about 3-4 minutes, so we will be left with only sugar and no water. So at this stage, add the coconut and all the fried paddy and quickly coat them really well and switch off the flame. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, BALLAV KHAI. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.